at one of the final days of the season, so we're heading ourselves to ACO here, pulling in, and we're officially shooting for this 9. We won our 9. Everything's kind of lined up good for us. The air is good. The truck's in a good shape. So let's see if we can't get what we want and kind of go from there. It's been a long season, a fun season. So what do we got there? They're doing off-road and stuff. Woo! Look like everybody coming today too. Track looking kind of packed. Let's see how this all plays. I mean, we're gonna have to maximize our runs because this packed. It's not gonna be a whole lot of them. Testing tune.
$50.
Ooh, expensive today. Pricey today. Normally come on weekdays, so Tuesday and Friday nights usually are only like 25 bucks, but apparently we're doubling up today. I love it. That's what it is. Rematch. And Joe was talking some smack too about what he's gonna do to me. Oh man, this ought to be a little interesting here. Another pass. See what we can get done here. Got us a Whipple track haul. Got Belgians. It's on the street side though. But here's a Whipple. It's gonna make some power. My understanding is it's turned down, not turned up.
I was saying, I should run him.
Hmm?
Come on, brother, like a gangster.
What? Oh, the other one?
Yeah.
Nah, it runs 1190.
Oh,
It's a It's got a Whipple or Magnuson on there.
Oh, okay. You probably got a fucking Magnuson.
Yeah, he's got a Whipple on his though. This is
Oh, that's the one you're talking about?
nah, this is the first time I've seen him. But only thing is, it's a new truck. Let me see something.
They're still trying to dial it in.
Yeah, so I can't. Recording. We are data logging. We have everything rocking and rolling. Now, let's see if we are gonna win. Obvious that we spun there. Boy. Nothing like spinning. Spinning ain't winning. I mean, luckily we were able to win that one, but I don't take too much from. He's got a new setup, and he's really just trying to dial that truck in. Who's that? Someone's coming? Yeah, so he's just trying to dial that truck in, so I can't take too much from the win. I mean, it's fun. I mean, it is a Whipple track hole, you know? So what we'll do, we'll get the ticket to see how bad that spin killed me. It was like a 159.60, and we'll look at the logs and make a determination from there for how we want to leave and launch. Thank you.
Sorry.
It's all right. Alright. 10:07 at 139.4. Yeah. That doggone 159, almost a 1660 foot. So upsetting. So upsetting. I gotta figure out how to baby it out a little bit. Get that 60 down and then let it nail. But that spin, that would have been a good 9998, 99 at least. But what can you do, right? All you can do is try. Testing and tuning. That's what we're doing. That is the name of the game. Why does it look like my stuff is? Oh, we're in front of that.
It's only on like 15 pounds of boost with pump gas.
All right, I'm gonna need to say it a little louder. I don't want them to hear it.
Yeah. So it's 15 pounds of boost on pump gas with like no timing. This is his first time ever at that track. So trying to get him used to it. So next week we got a track rental, and then we'll put 85 and good tires, and then next week he'll be ready to go 9, right?
Which day are you guys doing the rental?
Friday.
This Friday coming?
If you text me if you want to go, I can see if I can get you in. It's a problem.
It'll be like a last second for me because I'm supposed to be in Georgia for an event, but you know how life can throw. So I always like to have backup plans, and I definitely would like to run this thing when it's turned up.
Oh yeah, it'll be good. He needs a little practice though, right?
And I mean, it's been a couple years since I've been in there.
It's been a while.
Hey man, I need to get her in on the dyno because you guys got a 4-wheel drive one, right?
Just call me. Just text me. I'll be in.
Definitely.
We'll do it at nighttime when nobody's around.
Perfect. I wanted to get a 2-wheel pull and a 4-wheel pull just to.
That's not a problem.
All right.
You happy though?
Yeah. You got social media? Instagram, YouTube, anything?
No.
Nothing? Nothing? You don't have a Facebook?
I haven't. I just don't remember what it is.
All right, man. If you happen to remember, just text it. Text it to him, text it to me. Well, as you can see, didn't quite get our 9-second pass. We did get a 10.2 with some serious spin. We got a 10.0 with still some substantial spin. Biggest culprit would be the fact that the rear is still a stock rear, so not really able to heat the tires up properly. So I can only really heat like one tire up as opposed to trying to heat them both up and get a good launch. So we figured out a couple little things that we're going to try to minimize the wheel slip and get our pass. Because as you can see from the mile per hour, we're right there. We got more than enough mile an hour to run a 9. We feel pretty confident that it should have been at least a 980 if we would have had a lot less spin, closer to the way we normally launch. But it is what it is. We did make another pass. It was like a 5-hour delay between the second pass and the third pass. Third pass obviously wasn't it either. Ran into a few little issues, which I'll get into in another video, but it is what it is. So we'll be back, should be back like next week and try and get this thing over with. It's only like 2 weeks left in the season before the track closes, so I want it and I'm gonna get it. But for those that were curious, that is the same blower. We put it back on due to some delays with our next setup, and we didn't want to miss the last few weeks of the season and being NA as opposed to missing boost season, not having boost. Like that's just no, not in this area. With negative DAs and everything else, everything's all the cards are laid out the way you want them. So we put it on for a few weeks. It'll come back off as soon as the track closes, and then we'll be going nose deep into the next setup. So until then, boosted F-150 out.